Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a hands-on tutorial for all of you Wix Studio enthusiasts who want to design neater, more flexible layouts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to equalize grids and add new cells to your sections, giving your site that professional edge, no matter what kind of project you're working on. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the section you want to work on. Click directly on that section so it's highlighted. You'll notice a drop-down menu pop up. This is your control hub for making structural changes. It might look simple, but this drop-down holds a lot of power. Now, you'll see an option called Column. Give that a click. This is where you start shaping your grid. Next, let's add a cell to transform your layout into 3 columns. Select Add a Cell. Think of cells as the building blocks inside your grid. They're where your content and design elements live. Adding cells lets you divide your section neatly and create space for things like headings, images, or text. If you picture your section like a shelf, adding another cell is like putting up a new divider so you can display more items more evenly. Now, let's make our way over to the Layers panel. This is especially helpful when you're working with sections that have many elements stacked or layered within them. Find your section in the Layers list, then right-click on it. From the menu, choose Add Cell to the top. This move gives you even more control over where your content will go. Maybe you want a banner or a header right at the very top of your grid. After you've added the top cell, repeat this step and add cell on the bottom. By building out your grid with new cells at both the top and bottom, you're setting up a structure that can easily hold a mix of content types and designs. It's like setting up shelves at different heights in a closet, letting you organize things the way that makes sense for your project. With your cells in place, it's time for content. On your top cell, add a title. This step might seem small, but adding a clear, bold title draws your visitor's attention and anchors the rest of your design. Take a moment here to choose a font and style that fits your site's personality. Don't worry if you're experimenting. You can always tweak it later until it looks just right. Let's work on some deeper customization. Click on one of your cells to select it, then choose the Split option. This is an easy way to further divide the space within a single cell, allowing for dynamic arrangements, maybe for a feature section with an image on one side and text on the other. It adds flexibility and lets you get really creative with how your content is displayed. Now, for the finishing touch, right-click on your section again, and you'll see the Equalize option. You can choose to equalize your grid horizontally or vertically, depending on how you want the cells to be balanced. Horizontal equalizing makes all your columns the same width, while vertical equalizing matches the heights. This step is like lining up picture frames on a wall. Everything looks cleaner, more intentional, and visually appealing. If things don't look just right at first, don't stress. Adjusting these settings is quick and you'll find what works best with a bit of experimenting. And that's it. You've successfully created a customizable grid with equalized cells in Wix Studio. Remember, the beauty of this system is how inventive you can get. Mix and match cells, titles, images, make your layout fit your needs, not the other way around. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any challenges. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.